Hey guys, Gracie here. This is part one of a two-part series. Today we're going to talk about choosing the perfect container and accessories to create a beautiful container garden. Containers are a great way to add a splash of color to any outdoor space. There are a lot of options, so how do you know what's right for you and what other products do you need to ensure it stays healthy and beautiful? I consulted the experts at English Gardens and got all the info on how to create a container garden that was perfect for my space. First things first, selecting a container. English Gardens has a vast selection in a variety of materials, colors, styles, and shapes. Plants need proper drainage, so a hole in the bottom allows excess water to flow through the soil rather than accumulate at the bottom. This first one here is ceramic. So these are glazed containers and are pretty heavy, but that makes them very stable, especially for windy conditions. The glazing also helps to retain moisture. This next option is terracotta. So this is a classic material preferred by many gardeners. This one here is a little bit more modern in style. It breathes well, which is good for the roots, but can also cause it to dry out quickly. This third option here, these two are plastic. So these are lightweight, super easy to move, and naturally preserve water. This one on top here is actually self-watering, which I thought was cool. And it's great if you want something that doesn't require frequent care. So I'm gonna go with the ceramic version. I love the look and the stability for my patio. So I love this little invention called the Upsadaisy. It's a great way to reduce the amount of soil needed in deep pots like this one. So be sure to add it in before you start adding your soil. This is really great for me because I'm often inspired to change around the look of my space, so having a pot that's easy to move around is key. Now, if you don't use an Upsadaisy, you could try out this product called Better Than Rocks. This is an eco-friendly plastic mesh layer for the bottom of a pot. This is really great for shallow pots like this one. Speaking of soil, selecting the proper planting soil is key. I learned that garden soil, topsoil, and soil from the ground are too heavy and won't allow for proper drainage. English Gardens carries a number of great soil options. For my container garden, I'm going to go with this Proven Winners potting soil. This planting mix is specifically designed for containers. English Gardens also has a great selection of accessories that are helpful for proper drainage, especially if your container will be sitting on a deck or porch like mine. One neat product is the Down Under. These are placed underneath the pot and are pretty much invisible. The supporting arms can also be cut down to fit any size pot that you have. Plant caddies are another great option and a good way to keep your plants above the surface. Some, like this one, even have wheels. Saucers provide a simple solution for drainage. English Gardens has a variety of saucers available in plastic and ceramic like this one. And I'm actually going to go with this because I like the cohesive look with my pot. And there you have it. For products used in this video, check out the full list in the description below. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.